Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Google Fi not receiving text. Fix 1. Check Google Fi coverage. Google Fi only works on LTE/4G or 5G coverage. Check for the coverage in your area. Go to the Google Fi official website and check the coverage map. Input your location and click on check coverage button. Set LTE as preferred network type in your mobile. For iOS, loan settings, then general, then about, then carrier, then select LTE. For Android, open the settings app, select internet and settings, then mobile data, then choose your SIM, then network mode, then LTE/4G. Fix 2. Check your message settings. On iPhone, turn on your messages, go to the settings, then messages, then turn on and off as MMS and SMS. Adjust iMessage settings. Go to the settings, iMessage, toggle on and off iMessage. Also ensure your phone number is selected as sending address. On Android, turn on messages, go to the settings, then message, then toggle on and off MMS and SMS. Fix 3. Turn on aeroplane mode on then off. For Android, swipe down from the notification area twice or swipe down once with 2 fingers to reveal the quick settings toggles. Tap the aeroplane mode icon to enable or disable it. For iOS, swipe up from the bottom of any screen and tap on and off the aeroplane icon in the upper left corner. Fix 4. Restart your device. Restart your device can help resolve various issues such as low performance, app crashes, and network connectivity problems. Slide the power off slider to the right to turn on off your device. iOS. Slide the power off slider to the right to turn off your device. Wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the slide button until you see the Apple logo. For Android, press and hold the power button until you see the power options menu. Tap restart or reboot. Confirm the restart by tapping OK or restart. Fix 5. Reset network settings. For iOS, open the settings app, then general, then scroll down and tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings. You may need to enter your device passcode or Apple ID password to proceed. Confirm the action by tapping reset network settings again in the confirmation prompt. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configurations. For Android, open the settings app, then network and internet, scroll down and tap on reset or system. Tap on reset network settings or reset Wi-Fi. Review the information about what will be reset, then tap on reset settings or reset network settings. Confirm the action by tapping reset settings. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configurations. Fix 6. Check Google Fi app settings. Check the spam and block list in the Google Fi app. Open the Google Fi app, account and privacy and security. Manage contact settings. Check the spam blocked and list to see if any number are blocked. Block contacts from stranger settings in the Google Fi app. If the Fi app, check block contacts from stranger and make sure it turned off. This feature helps filter calls and messages from unknown number. Fix 7. Update mobile OS. To update the operating system on an iPhone, follow these steps. Go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, tap download and install. Enter the passcode if prompted. Wait for the update to download and install. Keep your device plugged in and connect to Wi-Fi until the update is completed. Restart your phone. To update the operating system on an Android, follow these steps. Go to the settings, then system, then software update. If an update is available, tap and download and install. Wait for the update to download and install and restart your phone. Fix 8. Take out and reinsert a SIM card. Turn off your phone and locate a small hole on your phone settings for SIM card ejection tool. Insert the ejection tool that comes with your phone or SIM card. Firmly but gently push until the tray pops out. Remove the SIM and reinsert the SIM. Gently push the tray back into the phone slot. Turn on your phone's back on. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.